In 2024, the United Kingdom government allocated nearly £48 million to construct a border control post at Park Cubby, situated near the port of Holyhead in Anglesey. The primary objective of this construction was to streamline the administrative processes for managing animal and plant imports and exports with the Irish Republic. However, the Brexit deal recently renegotiated between the UK and the European Union has meant that most of these imports no longer require scrutiny, and the border post has been left vacant. This situation has been perceived as an unnecessary expenditure and a waste of public funds, which could have been avoided had the UK remained within the European single market. As a result of this situation, we in Wales for Europe and the European Movement UK want Wales and the UK to re-establish a closer relationship with the European Union. This approach aims to address the detrimental impact of Brexit, not only on public finances, but also on local businesses and communities in Wales. If you share our concerns about Brexit and wish to contribute to the cause, we encourage you to visit walesforeurope.org to become involved.